Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are gonna get a bit Strawberrylicious. So we'll be making a face and body scrub-cum-mask and a lip scrub with very minimum ingredients. So to make this face and body scrub-cum-mask, you just have to grate or mash or puree the strawberry, add required amount of sugar to it, and add 1 tablespoon of olive oil. That's it, you're good to go. Just take a small amount of this strawberry and sugar mixture into another bowl to add coconut oil to it and use it as a lip scrub. Strawberry has skin lightening properties, and coconut oil needs no introduction when it comes to moisturizing. Strawberry lightens blemishes and scars. It's rich in vitamin C and has rich antioxidant properties, while olive oil prevents premature aging and helps moisturize your skin. Let's get glowing with this yummy strawberry scrub and tell us your experience after using it. Please do not forget to subscribe to RovitaS for many more upcoming videos. Till then, live the life you love and stay happy.